Hey guys, it's finally November. The days are getting shorter, the temperature's getting colder, we're getting closer and closer to winter, but we're also getting closer and closer to holidays, which is something, great to look forward to. There's still not really any snow on the ground, so enjoy wearing, running shoes while you can before you gotta put on those big boots. But that also means it's time to get into the recent market update for the City of Calgary. And this video, I'm just gonna chat a little bit about what happened in October, what we've seen in October in terms of sales, listings, what's going on in different segments of the market. And let's recap it and go through it. So interestingly enough, the Calgary Real Estate Board titled the October market report, "Market continues to favor the seller in October." So obviously they're alluding to it still being a seller's market, which is what we're seeing out there, and it is what we saw in October. We actually had a record high for the month of October in terms of sales with 2,186 sales, which is actually 35% higher than long-term averages. Amazing. So this continued strength in the market in terms of buyers still wanting to buy and sellers being able to sell, we think is due to a perceived high future economic outlook. People are confident in the future economy. And there's also pent-up demand as a result of COVID that's still continuing its way through these late months, getting into the winter. There's also speculation of higher interest rates coming, so there's a bit of pressure on buyers to secure their investments at a lower interest rate while they still can. And we still have seen an improvement in listings compared to last year. However, sales are still outpacing listings and inventory, which is why we're still in a seller's market. We're also seeing pricing still increase for the month of October. Actually, at about $460,000 was the average benchmark price in the City of Calgary. And this is actually over 9% higher than last October, which was at about $422,000. So now let's break it down segment by segment. So first of all, the detached market. We actually saw sales improve by 17% compared to last year, in particular the northeast and east districts of the city. Pricing in the detached market was actually 1% higher than last month and about 10% than the same time last year. And pricing was about $540,900 for the detached market in Calgary. In terms of the semi-detached market, we're seeing sales still drastically improving this month, and we're seeing the benchmark price actually rising to about $427,000 this month, which is about 9% than last year's levels. In terms of row townhouses, they're not quite as tight as they were last month, and pricing is still not recovered from previous highs, but prices did trend up this month. And the apartment condominium sector, we're actually seeing sales continue to increase over the same time last year at a rate of about 3%. And this is due to a large inventory in the apartment condominium market and pricing adjusting as a result, which is bringing out more buyers to capitalize on those low prices in the apartment condominium segment. So hope you enjoyed my market recap for the month of October. If you need any advice on buying, selling, or investing, feel free to give me a call, email me, hit me up in whatever way you choose. My email is daniel@dkboutiquerealestate.com. And if you're looking for things to do in the City of Calgary for this month, the month of November, check out the Van Gogh exhibit. Google it. It's a great exhibit going on in the City of Calgary. Check out Legacy Light display in the Legacy residential area, legacylight.ca. Check out Spark After Dark, adults only night at the TELUS Science Center, Inglewood Night Market, and Zoo Lights coming back again, which is always great this time of year. So thanks a lot, and hope you enjoyed my video.